Makes it easy to steam fish and veggies. Adjustable steam release vent lets out the right amount of ventilation. Preserves vitamins and nutrients in food. BPA-free and dishwasher safe. The GoodCook microwave steamer makes it easy to steam fish and veggies. The adjustable steam release vent helps you let out the right amount of ventilation depending on what you are cooking. Did you know that steaming fish and veggies preserves high amounts of vitamins and minerals? Using this steamer is easy and safe. Made from BPA-free plastic and is dishwasher safe. GoodCook stands behind its products and offers a 100 top reviews from the United States. Does the job. I bought this because I wanted to steam veggies in it and use my older similar steamer for chicken or fish. I was so impressed with this model I ordered a second one and will put the old one away as a backup. I really like that the inner tray has a tab on the side to lift out a base. I use a pair of OVE gloves with my thumbs on top of the lid to remove them from the microwave. No worries. I did my first try at steaming a chicken breast tonight. I went with 4 minutes and the meat temp was 195, so next time I'll go to 3 minutes and adjust from there. The meat was still tender and tasted great but just a tad dry. But that was just the first try, and once I get it dialed in, it should come out great every time. If you want to steam chicken or fish, get yourself one of those instant digital thermometers. Very pleased and would recommend it to anyone. Fresh veggies are a slam dunk and taste wonderful.